Thank you for joining us for the first stop of the 2026 Coaches Corner Tour, Restore the Standard.
We have an outstanding team committed to one goal: restoring the standard. Tonight isn't simply about meeting the coaches. It's about hearing the vision for the future of Winston-Salem State University athletics.
Now, when I say restore the standard, I'm not solely talking about chasing nostalgia or trying to relive yesterday's championships or relive yesterday's championships. I'm talking about restoring the culture, the expectation, the commitment and excellence that have always defined Winston-Salem State University.